Hello, welcome back to another video. I don't think I've done a video on this game before, but it is, in case you haven't heard of it, it is called Teardown. It is pretty interesting, to say the least. So basically what you can do is you can do this. Don't worry, he's fine. It's just kind of a very destructive game, and I think it's pretty fun. It is very detailed, not just pretty detailed. It's very detailed, and there's a lot of stuff to do here. You can take this guy, you can bring him, you can eject him from there, and you can become the pilot if you really wanted to. Now, in case you were wondering what this map is called, it's called Boeing 737 full version. It's pretty fun. I think I just broke the plane. Ignore that. And I think this is a oxygen mask. And here's the intercom. We are currently about to crash. Teehehehe. What the hell was that goofy laugh? Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of identical ragdolls over here. I guess this is first class, and all the way back here we have economy plus, and here's economy, I think. Yeah. This is all just economy. And then I think this is economy plus. Yeah, it looks a little nicer. And oh wait, no, this is economy plus. Oh wait, no, this is first class. I don't know, I think there's only economy and first class here. But yeah, without further ado, this is kind of boring, so I kind of want to do this. Yeah, oh god. Yeah, I have to hear it. Oh god. I don't know how to change back. Oh, there's like a little Cessna over there. I don't know how to change back. How do I do that? I'm falling. I think it's G. No, that's random. But I have no idea. Oh shoot. Oh god. This is not really fun to do. Maybe it's C and X. Yes, I see. Oh god. So yeah, I have a couple mods installed on them. And yeah, you can have some fun. This spray paint game comes with, but this blower does not. This firefighter is on. The blowtorch and plank in the cave. I also have a time stick and this thing, I'm not sure, but it's something. I have a shotgun. I think this also comes with the game. A pew-pew, a platoon rifle, a wave porter, I don't know what that does, and a lock and load. I don't know why it's called a lock and load. Oh god, I don't know how to load it. Do I just press E? We got a ragdoll gun. Shoots out ragdolls. I got a pipe bomb, a bomb, a rocket launcher, nitroglycerin. That's what it's called. It's like a bomb, and when you shoot it, it explodes. Rocket glycerin. Yeah. That's blue type. I don't think you guys can spawn all these. I'm gonna put some of these here. It's so laggy. And then I think I will explode this. Whoa! Oh god, I think I died. Yep, I died. I died. Yeah, that did not end. Oh god, the interior is crazy. Oh, that doesn't affect the warning episode of the game. Yeah. Hopefully it's not too late. Your friends are sleeping. Keep watching if you're not. Oh god. I think we need a new plane. I'm gonna go board it. Oh, alright. We are back on the plane. Or we're on, should I say we're on a new plane. And, ooh, someone drew in here. Okay, so I think we've learned our lesson. Not to, do that. Yeah, so. I think I want to spawn in a bike. I can ride a bike in here. I just need to go grab one real quick. Yeah, alright. I think I can spawn one with my head. In 3, 2, 1. I got it. I got a bike. Oh god, I don't know how to drive this thing. Can I please get into first person there? It's making the sound of a car. Just a nice casual bike ride. Oh god, no. God damn. Let me turn off this flash. I don't know how to do that. Oh, shift to wheelie. Woo! I'm doing a wheelie. It's better to see when. Yeah. Wheelie, yes, wheelie. Oh god. I think we need a better spot to ride this thing. Yeah. I think we need a better spot. Ouch. We need a way better spot. Ooh, we can see the plane here. Hey, I kind of want to try out a nuke. What if I spawn a nuke? I just need to find a nuclear strike. Yep. I can just grab my janky nuclear plane, and I think I'm right here. Oh god. Either way, I just destroyed the plane. Okay, yep. There's a nuke in the plane. I'm gonna try and get one of the engines. Oh god. Oh god. Where is that? I'm trapped. I'm here. Okay. Huh. Lee Chemicals. That just says British, I think. Here's an H. But the name of the map is Lee Chemicals. Ooh, look what I found. Goodbye, tree. Oh. That's kind of boring. Ooh, I can drive a car. Sorry, I'm sick. That's why my voice also sounds kind of janky. Oh god. Yep. What if I drive into the water? That might be a bad or a great idea. Oh, that was probably a bad idea. It's fine. I have a yacht, I think that's what it. No, that's just like a speedboat. I wish I could go fast. Oh, I have a jetpack, I think. I totally forgot. Let's try and ride a boat here. Woo! It's got quite the speed here. Oh! God damn. God. Sorry. Yeah. My vehicle's cooked. Let's try out this Jeep. Ouch. What was that? Okay. No, I didn't. Can I extinguish the car? Yeah, I can. Wait, speaking of which, what if I cause an epic fire? What the hell? Let's try and burn the tire. Tires are flammable. Oh, the car caught fire. Okay, yep, I think I'm just gonna extinguish that. But didn't extinguish it all. Yeah, this vehicle's burning from the inside out. Like the whole interior is just gone. You can kind of see. Oh, there's smoke. I'm gonna try and extinguish it. Try to extinguish it. I might need to pour some water on it. Okay, so yeah, it just burned the interior of the car here. A flashlight will help. Yeah, that car's gone. So we found this little building here. I can't get in through here. What is I think I got in. Alright. Ooh, some propane tanks. Oh god, I dropped it. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna... Oh god. Okay, that's quite the explosion. Okay, yep. Ouch. That hurt. Well, if that didn't catch fire, I don't know what else.
Systems online.
Other than my trusty flamethrower. This thing is crazy. Anything flammable will just catch fire. It's like the blowtorch, but more fun. Way more catastrophic. Yeah, catastrophic? Yeah, catastrophic. Alright, let's just burn everything in sight. Okay, yep. Oh god damn. Should I extinguish this? I wanna burn. I wanna see it burn. Well, I learned something new. Bricks are not flammable. I never thought bricks were. Maybe you learned something new. Maybe you thought bricks were flammable. If you did, that makes a lot of sense. They seem like something that should be flammable. But I guess we're not. Everything's gone. Even the grass. maybe not the grass. In real life, that would definitely hurt grass. And anything you see in this video, do not try it. Do not try this at home. This is just a game. You might have a tiny bit of fun, but you would also get something called life imprisonment. And I don't think you want this. I don't think you want to go life imprisonment. I'm just saying, do not try this at all, under any circumstance. Only, this is just a game. You can do this in a game, but real life is big no-no. Yeah. Before I extinguish this, I just want to watch this all burn down. It's kind of satisfying. It's all just slowly burning. This whole building is made of wood. Oh yeah. That's all just burning to shreds. Or to ashes, I guess I should say. The roof is still kind of holding up. I mean, not for long, it's just almost kind of, it's burning quite slowly. I don't think that part of the roof is flammable, even though I kind of see some wood. Yeah, it's flammable. I don't know, I think it's flammable. Yeah. That whole house just disintegrated. Oh yeah, and how's our house over here doing? Not too well. I can tell you that much. It's not doing too well. What happens if I do this? God damn it. The answer is nothing. Nothing happens. Something happens when I shoot the light bulbs though. Oh yep, and when I shoot the cables. Oh, I missed. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah. Got the cables. That cable doesn't deserve to live, and that one doesn't deserve to live, and this one doesn't deserve to live. Wow, the physics in this game is absolutely nuts. I think water comes out here. Oh yeah. And oh, looks like poop water. And those things are kind of dyed from paintings. Yep. I kind of want to get a good look at the nuclear strike now that we can move from where I am. Oh yep, I died. Oh god, that nuke is... looks like a nuke. Yep, that's a nuke. There. Wow. Yep. Well, that's cool. That's a cool little thing that happened there. I could get it there. Yeah. Damn. That just fell. How about... think it's gonna fall, right? Yep. No saving that thing. That's gone. Okay, how about right here? Whoa, that's a huge boom. Oh god, let me just land on this house real quick. Missile type nuclear. Is there a way to change the missile type? Probably not. How about, I don't know, there are no instructions on how to use this. Hey, can I shoot this? No, that just shoots the ground. Well, I guess now we know what happens there. I wonder what happens if I go right there. Oh god. I think I'll just use the bow. Alright, no, don't crash into that. I do not want that. Alright. Damn! Damn! Did you see the joke? Laugh, because there's a dam right there. Why aren't you laughing? Why are you not laughing, bro? Why are you not laughing? I did a damn joke. I hope you didn't laugh at that. It would be embarrassing if you laughed at it. So now you're laughing. Maybe you're not laughing. I don't know. I can't tell what you're doing. I could just pretend that I know what you're constantly doing because I can, yeah, pretend that, like, yeah, because I know you wouldn't laugh at that. Oh, I can pick this up. Another way I can pick that up is none other than the physics gun. But where's the fun in that? How about we just it exploded! I think that was the generator for power. And I just destroyed it. Oh well, let me just break out of this glass. And fly over here. Let's see if any lights are on. I would be surprised if there are any lights that are on. Because I think that's our power supply. What? I thought that was our power supply. That little electricity bulb thing. Hey, what are you guys doing? Your lights, aren't you? Indestructible. Jeez. There's strong light. Hey, this is a strong light too. How about I just oh. Well, I could try a love torch. Did it? Yep, it worked. I was about to say, did it work? It definitely worked. It appears a blowtorch cannot. It still can't set bricks on fire. I wonder what this does. I mean, I know what it does, but are you wondering what it does? Because I am. I wonder if it would be cool. Oh, those cables even moved when I ran it over. That's unrealistic. I think you can see what I'm doing with this. Arm. Yep. Alright. Alright. Oh, okay. Oh god. I don't think this is working very well. I think I need a lighter vehicle. Let me just crash this. Oh, sorry if that was loud. I hit the mic while I was trying to itch my nose. Okay, so let's get a lighter vehicle, shall we? I will spawn one in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I ran into some slight technical issues on the spawn menu. I searched up, oh god damn, I searched up car, and I saw something that said cargo. I wondered what it was. It was a plane, and I don't know how to do this. Do I just, maybe, I'll figure it out. I'll cut to when I figure it out. Pow! Alright. I managed to find this futuristic looking sports car. Oh god, it's fast. Okay, this is because it's so light, it's probably really fast, so let's hope it's light enough. Let's hope that it's just light enough. Maybe I should get it from more of the middle of it. Oh yeah, the issue was the weight of it. Oh. Well, I guess the car is broken now. Let me just lay you down. Like that. Oh god. Sorry, your car is ready, sir. Now I want to drive this. Okay. And so. Okay. I don't think there's anything else really to do other than to earn this.
Initializing. Systems online.
Oh, we can do an asteroid strike. Oh god, yep, it's coming. Okay, yep. That was pretty epic. Now we just have one heading towards the horizon. It probably hit something. How about that tree? I have one heading towards the tree. I mean, it hit the tree, I think, so that's pretty nice. How about this vehicle? Where's it coming from? Alright, it's more of going straight down. That just got disintegrated. Sorry. Yeah, that's just pitch black. And my car is not doing so good. Come on, one last. You would do it too if you were one last strike if you were in my situation. Ow! Can I still watch it? Okay. Now it's finally time. Alright. I got distracted, sorry. Let's burn this! And a little bit at the bottom too. I want to watch this just like... This whole thing's just on there. Damn! That looks like a smoke bomb the size of... well, a hunting tower. That's crazy. Okay, so that's cool. Tree too. Yeah, that is sick. Okay. Well. So, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing and smash that like button, and I hope to see you next time I upload. I hope to see you next time.